जवाब देना तो फिर 5 मिनट में क्या कितने लोग who all want to address the court? Who all want to address the court?
Islamabad High Court Bar Association would like to give the opportunity. Islamabad High Court Bar Association.
Islamabad High Court Bar Association. How long?
Court में जितना भी time दे जनाब, I try to finish within the half an hour 45-minute mark. Or whatever.
We're asking you a time.
Half an hour 45 minutes.
Give you a precise time.
45 minutes.
45 minutes you're going to...
Not more than that, sir. Not more than.
I can now leave the roster, and who is the next person?
I'm for Ehtizaz Ehsan in CP11.
Which organization do you represent?
I'm representing Mr. Ehtizaz Ehsan, the individual.
No, we are doing the organization first. Ji.
I represent
Ji.
Lahore High Court Bar Association.
How long will you take?
3 of them, the same.
How long will you take?
I'll take about between half an hour to 3/4 of an hour. Lahore High Court Bar Association, Balochistan High Court Bar Association, and Balochistan Bar Council.
Balochistan High Court and Balochistan Bar Council. All together you'll take how long?
Altogether about an hour.
1 hour. Take it next.
Lordship, I am Vice Chairman Pakistan Bar Council.
Pakistan Bar Council.
Lordship, and as per order dated.
How long will you take?
Half hour, 20 to 30 minutes.
Take next.
The Supreme Court Bar Association will take not more than 20 minutes in this case.
My Lord.
And we are also seeking permission to file the proposal sought by this court.
That permission has already been granted. We don't have to seek further permission.
On the last date, the order was announced that we were being given notice. So we've endeavored to file this.
Who's next? Association.
My Lord Shahbaz Khosa, Additional Secretary Supreme Court and Vice President Punjab Supreme Court Bar Association. We've compiled, as my Lord desired, on the last date of on the Supreme Court Bar Association's behalf. My Lord, they're presenting a slightly different view. We're presenting almost the same but slightly different.
Who are you? We are talking about organizations.
Additional Secretary Supreme Court Bar Association.
You're not an organization, you're an individual.
And Vice President.
Try to understand, we're first dealing with organizations.
In fact, sir, my Lord.
आप तो ना बोलिए ना, please इनको बात तो करने देना ना एक शख्स.
My Lord, the desire is the same.
Hey, I don't care about your desires. Which organization do you represent?
My Lord.
अबे वकील को एक बात 3 दफा ना बताना पड़े. हमसे पूछने कौन सी organization?
My Lord, I have been elected to the Supreme Court Bar Association.
ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को नोट करें, उसके बाद फिर आप लोगों को इंडिविजुअल बात में आएंगे. पहले ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जितने भी है एसोसिएशन, पहले उनकी लिस्ट बन रही है, उसके बाद फिर आप लोग.
Maybe as in my individual capacity as well as my representative.
You're not on behalf of the Supreme Court.
Regrettably, there was a executive committee meeting yesterday.
लोगों से पहले organization से बात करें.
And a unanimous
In fact, the
draft was prepared last night by holding the executive committee meeting. I really wonder why we want self-projection here. It's a very serious question that requires
that's why we are
addressed before this court, and we are just making I don't know
हम individuals को भी सुन लेंगे. पहले हम organization की बात कर रहे हैं.
मुझे इतराज किसी के सुने जाने पर नहीं है, लेकिन ये बहरहाल ये मैं इस पे क्या कहूँ.
My Lord, no self-projection is desired here. I'm very sorry that this is being said.
Let's deal with the organizations first.
In fact, the over petition was filed.
शुरू हो गई. हमें organization बता दीजिए कौन सी organization है.
My Lord, on behalf of Supreme Court Bar Association,
you cannot
25th the meeting could not held till 25th. Therefore, we filed a petition on behalf of Supreme.
President Supreme Court Bar is present. Let him say what he's saying. उसके बाद फिर आप बात करने बाद में चल रहे हैं.
Sir, Islamabad Bar District Bar Association and
किसको?
Islamabad District Bar Association and Karachi Bar Association. 30 minutes, sir.
Thank you. Can we be as precise as Mr. Salahuddin Ahmed? Ji, next.
My Lord, Islamabad Bar Council, my Lord.
15 to 20 minutes मेरा.
Okay, organizations.
ठीक.
I'm grateful man.
Sir, we are.
और organization को रह गया? We are not hearing people from. First we'll finish here. जी यहाँ कोई रह गया? Organization. जी.
The 6 members of Pakistan Bar.
नहीं organization. I think you hopefully know the difference between organization and individuals. जी बार कौन है? वहाँ कौन है? कराची में कौन है? किसको represent कर रहे हैं? Sindh High Court Bar Association. How long will you take? ठीक. और? आप individual category में आ रहे हैं ना? Let's finish the organizations. जी. और ये दूसरी जगह कौन सी है? और कोई नहीं है. ठीक है. अच्छा. आप individuals बता दें कौन है? भाई आप यहाँ से हम कर रहे हैं.
आप जरा ये पहले इधर से देख लें, उसके बाद आस्ता आस्ता चलते हैं.
हो गया ऑर्डर? सबने कर लिया? ये अटॉर्नी जनरल जरा ये आप पढ़ लें ऑर्डर दे दें अटॉर्नी जनरल को. उनको ओरिजिनल ही दे दें, क्या फर्क पड़ता है भाई? वो पढ़ तो लेना, ओरिजिनल दे दें, वापस ले लीजिएगा. साइंड कॉपी ना दें.
You can hand over the other copy to me.
भाई दे दीजिए ना 2 मिनट.
दूसरी दे दे मुझे. Pursuant to the order dated 3rd April 2024, the 5 High Courts have submitted their respective proposals, which were read out by the Learned Attorney General for Pakistan. Proposals were also sought from the Pakistan Bar Council and the Supreme Court Bar Association. PBC has submitted its proposals, and the Vice President and Additional Secretary of SCBA state that since a meeting of the SCBA had not taken place, they will be submitting their proposals before the next date of hearing. 2. Few petitions and a number of applications have been filed by other bar councils and bar associations seeking to be joined as parties to these proceedings. Others too have filed similar applications. However, we will only entertain the same to the extent of proposals made therein. 3. It would be appropriate and helpful if bar councils and bar associations come together and preferably file one document containing their proposals. However, if agreement cannot be reached amongst them, they may file separate proposals. 4. If any bar council or association wants to obtain copies of the proposals submitted by the High Courts, they may obtain the same from the office. 5. The Learned AG may also submit proposals on behalf of the Federation. With regard to the allegations levelled in the letter of the 6 honourable judges of the Islamabad High Court against the Federation or any agency under the federal government, responses thereto be submitted through the Learned AG before the next date of hearing.
One learned judge has written a separate note. Read that.